Is your car swallowing fuel faster than you can refill the tank? With gas prices hitting record highs, every mile counts. Most people spend hundreds on expensive engine tuning, but the secret to doubling your fuel average isn't in a mechanic's shop, it's in these 5 simple maintenance tricks. Trick number 1, check your air filter. Think of it as the lungs of your car. If the filter is clogged with dust and debris, your engine has to work twice as hard to breathe, sucking in up to 15% more fuel just to keep running. A clean filter equals a happy wallet. Trick number 2, tire pressure. This is the most ignored factor. Underinflated tires create more rolling resistance, meaning your engine has to fight against the road. Driving on soft tires is like trying to ride a bike through sand. Check your pressure weekly to keep your ride smooth and efficient. Trick number 3, spark plugs. If your plugs are old or covered in carbon, they won't ignite the fuel properly. This leads to misfiring, where unburnt fuel literally exits through your exhaust as waste. New spark plugs can drastically improve your combustion and power instantly. Trick number 4, oil viscosity. Using engine oil that is too thick creates internal drag. Always stick to the oil grade recommended in your owner's manual. Synthetic oils often provide better lubrication, reducing friction and helping you squeeze out those extra miles from every drop. Trick number 5, driving habits. Aggressive braking and floor-to-the-metal acceleration are fuel killers. By maintaining a steady speed and keeping your RPMs between 2,000 and 2,500, you can save up to 20% on your monthly fuel bill. It's not just about what you drive, but how you drive. Stop overpaying for expensive tuning and start looking at these basics. Your car, and your bank account, will thank you. If you found these tips helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more automotive secrets.